Hi guys, welcome to IT networking and Unidentified network error. Your internet is not working that condition. So how to resolve? So firstly, guys, you restart your router and guys, you restart your modem, okay? And guys, disable your firewall. Second step is disable your firewall and your antivirus also. So guys, click to start button and type firewall and network protections to click. Do we have two options, control panel and from setting. So suppose I want to just click to open control panel, so you can do it. So click Windows Defender firewall on off. So select off and off, then save. Okay, then you can close the windows. Okay, and guys, update your drivers. Okay, open file manager and right click to manage, show more, then click to manage, and then device and manager, network, and we have to install latest driver. So are you using which motherboard? Okay, so you have to update automatically from detect your driver, updated driver. So you can click to run and then restart your Windows. Okay, and guys, change DNS also. Okay, click to start button, type control panel. Okay, then click to internet, network and sharing centers, then click to ethernet. If you are using Wi-Fi, so there are two types, show ethernet and Wi-Fi. So you firstly select was your internet working or not, and then click to properties, then click to IP version 4, then use DNS. So you have a DNS, it's okay, otherwise you can enter the Google DNS, no issue, 8.8.8, and click to tab, then again 2 time 8 and 2 time 4, and then okay, then okay. So that is the solutions, guys. You have do the all solutions and then please check then your internet working or not, and give me the comment, so I will support you. Okay, yeah, thank you, bye bye, take care.